Hello and welcome to Leonard Wine Cellars, and today we're cooking a recipe called shrimp scampi. It's my personal favorite. It's very easy to make, so we thought we would show it to you also to allow you to enjoy it. We're using White Raven. It's estate bottled. It's made out of the Cayuga grape and it's grown right here on our property. The White Raven is a dry white. It's kind of like a Pinot Grigio or a Pinot Gris. One of the things we've already done is that our shrimp has already been de-shelled, but the shells we've reserved and they're in another pot. We're making our own fish stock to use for our shrimp scampi.